Arthur's Residential Care offers exceptional homes and services for seniors. With more than 35 years dedicated to providing memory care and a strong ratio of highly qualified staff to residents, we excel at what we do. Our extensive list of services includes freshly prepared meals served 3 times a day, on-demand snacks 24 hours a day, a variety of on-site and off-site cultural and physical activities tailored to each resident, and housekeeping, laundry, and linen services. We have 6-person homes designed with an intimate touch and all the comforts you desire in a home, like a cozy living room with fireplace, dining room, kitchen, sunroom, deck, and garage. Each resident enjoys a large private care suite with its own private bathroom that has a wheelchair-accessible shower and emergency pull cords. Our 2 unique properties are close to highways and public transit, and we offer our own transportation service. Stop by soon and let us give you a personal tour of Arthur's Residential Care.